Today I'm going to make this video for client on how to make fluorescent patterns with SUBLISTAR 6 Colors DTF Printer. Here you can see our ink cartridges are filled with CMYK fluorescent yellow and fluorescent pink ink. We'll use it to print out wonderful fluorescent color patterns. Create spot color channels with Photoshop. Import image. For demonstration, I use a color bar image. Adjust image model to CMYK model. Because we use CMYK printer, use the magic wand to select a part that needs to be a spot color. Copy this layer and delete the bottom layer. Change the opacity of this part that needs to be a spot color to 15%. We are going to mix this part with spot color, so I'm changing the opacity here. Create a new spot fluorescent yellow channel. Name the spot color W1. Change the solidity to 15%. If you don't want the fluorescent color to mix with the image color, you can change it to 100%. Use the magic wand to select another area. Duplicate the layer. Change the opacity to 15%. Delete the bottom layer. Create a new spot color fluorescent pink channel. Name it W2 and change the solidity to 15%. Click Load Selection to select the Enter document. Create a new spot color white channel. Name it W3. Change the solidity to 100%. Here, because I want a full white on the base for DTF transfer later. In this way, 3 spot color channels are created: spot color FP, spot color FY, and spot color white for on the base. Save it as TIFF format. Rip with Maintop rip software. Open the Maintop rip software. Click File, Print Setup. To install SUBLISTAR Fluorescent Color ICC driver. And set it as the default printer. Set your paper size here. Import image. Resize image. Click Print Setup. Enter white ink setting. Here, we change the color numbers to 3 to meet our 3 spot color channels. Set the white mode to spot color. Here, select Cover. Click Offset Paper. Choose Mirror Print. Export PRN print file. You can also choose TCP to print directly from Maintop, if your computer configuration supports it. Print with Atool control software. Open the printer control software Atool. Click Connect. Import PRN file. Click Start to print it.